Hi Jade, this is just a quick video response for you with regards to Beko BBIE12301X oven. First of all, thank you very much for your comment and sharing the model number with us, as it is very helpful when it comes to finding the technical knowledge like service manual, explode diagrams, and the wiring diagram. Since Paul is away right now, I'm helping him out with answering his FAQ questions, because I didn't want you to wait for a long period of time to get an answer. As you might guess, I'm not a technician like Paul, but I was able to put all the necessary information together for you. Now, you stated that, despite everything seems normal, there is no heat inside the oven. Thus, your food is not cooking as you want to. Okay, if your oven has a power, but it's not getting hot, the problem is, most probably, a broken heating element. In your case, it may be a faulty grill element, the base element, or the fan oven element. There may also be other problems like broken thermostat, selector switch, or control board. To be able to identify the problem, you must first disconnect the oven from the main supply. Then, you need to visually check these elements for any signs of damage. If there is no sign, you should test them with the multimeter. But don't worry, we have videos showing how to do this. You can find them in the description below. You will also see an FAQ page link below, where you can find all the spare parts and the documents like wiring diagram, service manual, explode diagrams, and the related videos. If you need more help, please feel free to contact us again. Also, please don't forget to support us by liking this video and buying the parts of us. Cheers!